Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to turn on Windows Defender. So let's begin the video. Open the Start menu and click on the Settings. Now go to Privacy and Security. Then select Windows Security. In the Windows Security, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Now from here, click Manage Settings. Scroll down and toggle the choice under Real-Time Protection to on. Now Windows Defender will be active and protect your device. So that's for today. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.